In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to install Yoast SEO, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, select Add New from Plugins. Then search for Yoast. From the results the first one is what we are looking for. Install it and then activate it. Now here you can see that in the plugins list and also in the left panel. Here we have options like General, Search Appearance, Social, Tools, Premium. So this is how you can install Yoast SEO. Thank you for watching.